Hello everyone, who is here in Paris. I'm waiting for my ride. I called an Uber to go to the new mall. It's called Les Quatre Temps, here à la Défense. My Uber? Yes, bonjour.
Luis?
Yes. Okay, thank you. Okay. So my Uber is here.
La Défense, right?
La Défense, esplanade les Quatre Temps.
Yeah, I know.
Yes. So I'm in the Uber now, going to the mall, les Quatre Temps. I'll show you a little bit of the city. It's a very beautiful city here in the suburbs of Paris. It's called La Défense. Very business oriented area. A lot of big businesses. You can see the buildings. They call it the Manhattan of Paris. You can see the big buildings that they have around here. You have AC, sir? You have air conditioning?
What?
You have air conditioning in the car?
Yeah.
Climatiseur?
Yeah.
Vous pouvez le mettre s'il vous plaît.
Sure.
C'est à cause de l'air, la qualité de l'air.
Ah, il n'est pas bougé.
Yes. Okay, now we are in a tunnel. It's okay. I'll start filming at the end of the tunnel. So, okay, wow, the big beautiful buildings that they have here. It's unbelievable. Look at this. Look at these ones. Wow, so tall. We call it the little Manhattan. It's the Manhattan of Paris. La Défense, you see? See the buildings? You think you're somewhere in the heart of Manhattan. But
ici.
non.
En fait, il faut marcher comme les gens là-bas, vers là-bas.
Oui. Est-ce qu'il n'y a pas une entrée où on peut rentrer directement?
Pas en voiture.
Long story short, I'm back to this place called Monoprix. This is not the entrance. This is a Sunday. So it's a Sunday, it's closed. You see the problem? Oh no, I think it's open on this side. Okay. It's open. We are in a Monoprix near my hotel. I think this is the view. This is my hotel on the side. I'm going to grab something here for lunch. Now, these are views of the Quartier La Défense, the business center, business area of Paris, the big buildings. See, so many big buildings here. Okay, here is the entrance. Here's the main entrance to the mall. It's called Les Quatre Temps, the big mall. Here are the Défense. Merci. Okay. Now let's see what we can find here. Restaurants on this side. Snack is up. Decathlon up. Reception up. Go this way first. I'll probably come back to the restaurant side for lunch. Eat something here. I like to eat something here. Decathlon. Good about this is that my store is downstairs, so you can actually walk and go underground and cross that big place, that huge space. From the underground is air conditioned and cool, so you don't need to walk. You don't need to walk outside on the, and breathe the polluted air. So we are here. This is the Westfield Les Quatre Temps. That they have here. Okay, now I need to find the zone framboise for my store. Framboise. To go up. This is the niveau, this is the 0 level, so I have to go up, keep going up. Unbelievable. This is like a whole town. We can easily get lost here. Excusez-moi, bonjour. Est-ce que je peux vous poser une petite question, s'il vous plaît? J'essaie de localiser ce magasin, Café Coton. Ils ont dit niveau 1, zone framboise. C'est juste en face?
Oui.
Super! C'est le jackpot. Merci beaucoup. Merci. Oh là là, it's right here. This is my favorite shirt store. Wow, see? See all the good stuff that they have. I haven't been here for like 3 years since COVID hit. So I'm here today. This is my paradise for nice shirts. Okay, so let me see what I can get here today. Okay, so what is good about this place is that they have deals. Once in a while they have deals, and today they have this deal. It says tout acheter, tout offert. Tout offert. Deux acheter, deux offert. So it's in French. It means you buy two, you get two free. So you buy 2 shirts and you have 2 free. Isn't it great? So you have 4 for the price of 2. Okay. Members Day, 15% supplémentaire. I think I'm going to, I'll sign up for this also to get 15% off the price of 2. So, okay. Wow, so many beautiful things here. Yeah. Okay.